Dear friends, welcome back. In this video, I'd like to do one machine on the one hub, which is broken. The link will be added into the description section below so that you can download and play the machine. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You're greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch over to the Kali Linux VM. First of all, we need to discover the IP address of the target. The utility I'd like to use, as always, would be netdiscover. As you can see over here, I use the option -I to specify the interface. So all traffic will be sent from this interface to discover the machines on the network. And also use the option of -R to specify the network range to narrow down the scope. Okay, so now we can press enter. As you can see over here, the IP address of the target could be recognized as 122. So what are we going to do next? We need to do the port and surface scanning with a map. To save time of this video, I've already completed before. So for now, we just get out its result. As you can see over here, I used the options like scene scan, the virtual scan, the default script scan, followed by the -P- to do the full range port scan. The last option for all is ON to output the result into this file. Of course, as you can notice here, the IP address has been changed from the first time when I did the machine. So from the map scanning, we can tell that the target has two port numbers. The first one is 22, which is running SSH service, and also the version information, including exact version number. I don't think we can find any vulnerability except the username enumeration, which is not what we want. And the second one is 80, which is running HTTP service, and also the version information Apache 2. So then what are we going to do next? We need to do the enumeration with this HTTP service or this web application, both manually and automatically. Let's fire up our browser of Firefox to do the manual enumeration first. And we can put the IP address of the target. So the target, the IP address. Press enter. Yeah, we got this beautiful page back coming soon. So our website is currently undergoing scheduled maintenance. We should be back shortly with a new CMS. Thank you for your patience. Although it looks like there's some links, but all of them are dead or not effective, okay? And then we can check source code, but nothing there. And next we can check the robots file. Robots file, not found. Next, we need to do the automatic enumeration with the tool of Nikto. You know, I always use Nikto to start automatic enumeration with the web application. And found, as you can see, not only the banner or the version information, the request method, request header, including the sometimes can give us the allowed HTTP methods. And the CMS images, maybe we need to take a look at the images first. Nothing special, right? Or nothing unusual picture here. Next, we need to take a look at the CMS directory. So this Trust Me CMS installation page, just press the install button. And before I hit install, I'd like to check its source code. Nothing there. And also, I'd like to use the GoBuster to do the directory enumeration. GoBuster, directory, extension option, present. So no such, sorry. I misspelled the IP address. Press enter. Of course, I don't think we can find anything else besides the images and CMS directories. Also, although here, as you can see in the fonts, this is the store for the, some static file like a fonts file, which is not one. In most cases, we do not need to pay attention to this directory. So to save time of this video, I'd like to quit from the GoBuster. So now let's go back to the browser and hit this install button. Oops, something went wrong. And go here. Maybe we need to open link in new tab. Hacked. So sorry for that. I think this page is some sort of the trap. And this trap is given by or is designed by the hacker. Okay? And sorry for that. So next we need to do the directory enumeration again to see what has been changed. We can press enter. As you can see, we found the new one. The backup, we can open up a new tab and make the terminal to be bigger. And then we can use Q backup. We got this file back. It looks like this is the HTML page, and which doesn't contain anything important. Okay, so now let's go back. I think GoBuster cannot find anything else. However, I'd like to take a look at this CMS directory again. CMS. As you can see, we got the first flag. Maybe we can copy. And flags. Can put here. Defacement. So I think the first flag itself tells us, the hacker is doing some sort of website defacement. Okay? And also we can check the source code. Nothing there. And sorry for that. I'd like to make deeper enumeration, directory enumeration. We can put CMS because this is the only entry for us, right? CMS. Press enter. As you can see, we found the CC directory. CC. So I think here CC means the command and control server. We can specify the IP address and corresponding port number to connect to the CC command or C and C server. So how to do? We can set up, maybe I can quit from the GoBuster. We can set up the listener on the Kali Linux. And here, the Kali Linux will act as the command and control server, okay? Or simulate the command and control server. Let's press enter. Now we can specify the C and C server IP address and the port number 555. And we can click hack. As you can see, we got the collection from the target. Even we can get the more detailed information. The target is trying to get or download this shell script. So what do we have to do next? We can create this shell script, and this shell script will host the reverse shell command. So when the target connects back to our Kali Linux or command and control server, and we'll run this reverse shell command. So by this means, we can get the foothold on the target. So let me show you. First of all, we need to create this shell script, and the file name should be this one. Because this is the target is trying to download or trying to get. So we can copy. We can use Vim editor, and we can press enter. So we can get the reverse shell command from the Pentest Monkey website. We can copy, or maybe any other reverse shell command. And we need to make some modification. The IP address of the Kali Linux, and also the port number to be listened on. And we can use the bash. I think I've already used this reverse shell command a lot throughout my channel. So we can paste in here. Okay, so now we can write and quit. So next we need to set up the web server on the Kali Linux by Python. In the meantime, we need to set up the listener, wait for collection from the target. So now go back to the browser and put the IP address of the Kali Linux and the port number. This port number should be port number adopted by the web server. Okay? And we can click hack. As you can see, we successfully got the collection from the target, which is wonderful, right? And the next we need to do the local enumeration. We can, the log, the size is 0. We do not need to care about this one. So next we can, so how to do the local enumeration? First of all, we need to go to the home directory. There is only one normal user. We can go inside this directory and we can get the flag. This should be the second flag. And we can copy and paste in here. And also we can get the note. Of course, we need to look into this file. Here, Alice. So I think this message is left by the root user to the Alice. Please do not install this CMS. Trust me, CMS. I need to check the source before. P.S. I created a script to clear Apache log during the tests. So I think it's obvious that we need to find this script and to see whether we can manipulate this script, right? Very straightforward and clear. And I think under the Alice home directory of Alice, we can notice this directory. We can go inside this directory. Here, clear log. So this is the new one. Okay, we can get out this last clear. So I think, as you can see, this is the date of my video when I make this video. Okay, so it's very clear. There's some sort of cron job running at the background. And here, log. Maybe we need to take a look at this Python script. As you can see here, just in case I want to stop this script remotely, and system. So we'll copy. Okay, so I don't think we need to care about very much about this Python script. We just if we can manipulate this file, this Python script, and this Python script will be executed regularly. As you can see here, open, and then we can write this this message. However, the current user, the current user is www data, doesn't have permission to modify this directory. But if we go back, can you notice the permissions for this directory? Everyone, beside the owner and the group, everyone can, can have the all privileges to this directory. It means that we can delete, we can create a file, anything, although we do not have permission to manipulate this file itself. It's okay. So we just, we can rename this file, and we can, we can upload our own log.py file, and we can put a reversal command into this file. Okay, so how to do? I think I'd like to open up a new tab and make the font to be bigger. So next, of course, we need to, use the same file name. We can use log.py, and you can get the reversal command. We need to put the Python reversal command, and you can get this command from this website or PenTestMonkey. But for me, I always choose this site to get the Python reversal command. Okay, so we can copy, and we can paste on my notebook. We need to do some processing. We need to remove this one because we will put the command into, or statement into the script rather than, execute it as a shell script. So we can remove this one, and also we need to change the attacking machine, and also the port number we can use 666. And now we can, so I think we can copy and paste in here, right, and quit. So then we go back, we can use wget to upload. And should be log.py. No error. Next, we need to set up the listener, another listener. The port number for this listener should be 666. And then we can wait for the collection, new collection from the target. And this collection is triggered from the, or launched from another user, Alice, rather than current user www dash data. Okay, of course this is what we want. I think I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, as you can see, we successfully got the collection from the target. We can run ID. As you can see, we are Alice user, and maybe I can spawn interactive shell, import pty module spawn method. Okay, So next, root. Very interesting. We are within root directory. We can list, however, permission on, although this is not in English, but I can guess that this should be something like permission denied, something like that. So we can go to the home directory to make more local immersion. So the backup. I think we have already got back this flag, right? Cat, the flag. This should be, oh, this should be the third flag. So easy, right? So this should be the third flag. So I think we need to grab 4 flags, right? So now, and also here, note. We can get out of this note. So Alice, we have been hacked. Please put the path of the website backup directory in path.txt. My bot will do the rest. So I think there should be another cron job running at the background. And we should put the path of the website backup directory into this file. At this moment, this file is empty. So I think, so which script is responsible for this file? We can go to the root directory, and you can notice this one, this directory, and also the backup. We can get out the backup, Python script. So I think this Python script import OS module, import datetime module, and we'll get a size of this file. We have already seen this file, right? At this moment, the size is 0. So doesn't meet this condition. If we can, for example, if need, we can check whether we have permission to write something into this file. And the size of this file is larger than 3, and then we'll open up this file and read. So we'll read the path, right, from this file, and then we'll do the synchronization. So this path will be, so I think this command will copy the file here into this directory, and also, of course, will exclude something like back and backup. So I think it's clear. We need to, for example, we want to retrieve the root flag. We can put the root directory as a path into this file, right? And then, because this script will be done regularly, and the content of a root directory will be, copied to this directory. Okay, so let me show you. We can go to the home, Alice, backup. Now we can put the root directory to the path. And then backup. So we just monitor, some changes under this directory. If this Python script is executed, and then the content of this path or root directory will be copied to the backup. I think just this one. Then we can retrieve anything in this path, right? So we can as you can see this time, this directory is emerged, and we can take a look at, we can navigate into this directory, and then we can get the final flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.